So that's another question. So here we have a plant that live in water called hydrophytes, and they have very large air spaces. Why do you think so? They have the large air spaces. Why
Okay,
do
so
hydrophytes have large air spaces?
um, for like the movement of gases,
For the movement of gases and for
um, I was thinking of the water vapor and transpiration, but
exactly
okay,
evaporation of water.
okay,
So because these are hydrophytes, they need water. They need to get rid of water. So they would
okay,
have larger spaces so that more water can be removed or more water can be evaporated.
okay.
Okay, what is A?
A is the upper epidermis.
Okay, upper epidermis. What is B?
I think B is the cuticle.
No, it's not cuticle. There are two cells,
Oh, okay.
here and here. What are these?
Um, I'm not
These are
sure.
guard cells.
Oh, these. Okay.
So this is an
I thought
adaptation.
guard cells were only at the bottom.
It, it's a point that guard cells are present in the upper surface of hydrophytes. It's an adaptation of hydrophytes because they need to get rid of water.
Oh,
Their
okay.
lower surface is in the water, so the guard cells are present on the upper surface, so that stomata could be in the correct way. What is
Um,
the function of A, B, C, and
it
D?
has no chlorophyll, so like the light can enter into
Okay.
the photosynthesis.
So no chlorophyll is the adaptation. Adaptation
Oh,
is not asked. You just need to write the function. Okay? Okay, what is
okay.
B?
Guard
Guard
cells.
cells. So what is the function of guard cells? They control the opening and closing of
Yes, a stomata.
opening and closing of stomata. What is C? It's a palisade mesophyll cell,
So photosynthesis.
photosynthesis. And D is the air spaces. What is their function?
Evaporation and movement of gases.
Evaporation of water and movement of gases. Straight and explain why one way in which these leaves are adapted to their environment that we have discussed. How they are adapted? Because their guard cells are present on the
Top.
top in the upper epidermis. So
Yes.
what? Why are they present in the upper epidermis? We need to explain why.
Okay. They're placed on the upper epidermis because since this is a water plant, the backside of the water plant will be in the water.
Lower side, not back side. The
Oh
lower
yeah,
side.
the lower side of the plant would be in the water. So gaseous exchange would not be able to happen, or water would not be able to transpire.
Okay, correct. Next part is again an experiment is given. A student investigated the effect of magnesium on the like growth of a plant. Okay,
Okay.
so magnesium is our independent variable and growth of this duckweed is dependent
Independent.
variable. Okay, he prepared dishes each containing 30 plants of this species polyrhiza. Each dish contained a growth medium. Growth medium means all the nutrients are given with different concentration of magnesium. It means the magnesium would be different, all other nutrients would be same. If you're using nitrate, if you're using potassium, if you're using calcium, all these other minerals or all these other mineral ions or salts are in same concentration, while only magnesium is changed. After 33 days, the student counting the number of plants in each dish and recorded their appearance. So this is how they look like.
Okay.
Okay, so these values are given. Have you gone through this table?
Yes.
Just go through this table. When the concentration is low, what is the effect? And when the concentration is high, what is the effect?
Okay. Um. Well, as I can tell, when the magnesium is like when the magnesium concentration is at its lowest, the number of plants is also less, and
Don't include
it,
number of plants. Don't include this one.
okay,
Just tell the effect of concentration of magnesium on growth of polyrhiza. Just tell this one and this one. Now this is the
oh
appearance of leaf, not the growth. Now you need to
yeah,
convert it into growth. Like if it's yellow, what would be growth? If it's green, what would be the growth?
okay. So if it's yellow, the growth is less, like it's not fully
Exactly,
matured.
there is lesser light is absorbed because the chlorophyll is a lesser number.
Yes.
Okay, then
Then when the concentration of magnesium salt is at its like it it's higher, the growth rate is also higher because the chlorophyll can now like absorb the light.
exactly.
And we could just explain the trend that like as the magnesium concentration increases, the
Okay,
growth rate of chlorophyll also increases.
uh, we can also give the value. For example, we can also say that when 0.05 milligram per cubic decimeter of magnesium was given to plant,
Yeah.
there was lesser growth as there is lesser chlorophyll available. But when the concentration increases to 0.25 milligram per cubic decimeter, the plant growth would be maximum because the plant is more green and it would have more chlorophyll to absorb more sunlight and or do the photosynthesis.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Explain how magnesium deficiency affect the growth and appearance of plant. Now you have to give the reason why they're yellow or why they're green.
Oh, okay. So magnesium basically keeps the like the chlorosis from not happening, the yellowing of the plant. Like it gives the pigment to chlorophyll.
Okay.
So uh when there's a deficiency in this, the plant will obviously be yellow
So there would
or
be
have
less chlorophyll, there would be less growth.
yes, the screen
Okay.
pigment.
So this is all for this question.